Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these were the lines and columns we drew yesterday. So as you can see, we had drawn this bullish fair value gap. Nifty had opened above it, went below, bought back immediately, went way above it, and then got sold off, tested this particular fair value gap once again, and then was bought back again. So as I mentioned, it was not a day for me to trade. So if you can just see the top of this, something interesting is that there was another bearish fair value gap right here between this candle and this candle, and that's almost where Nifty made its high today. So just pointing out something interesting. So let's go to our analysis. Let's delete all that we do yesterday and start from scratch from the highest time frame. That's the monthly time frame. First, looking at a bias, Nifty is bullish on a monthly time frame. Why is it bullish? The high made in August is higher than the high made in April. Buyers are buying at higher levels with confidence. Now, what are the important levels? The previous ATH is an important level. Where big sellers are, there's not been a daily candle close above this. What's an important support level? The previous swing high is an important support level. Let's mark it in green. That's 25,670. Previous swing low is an important support level. 24,337. Then this one hypothesis I have been repeating like a madman for a long time. These two candles, these two red candles, the mid of these two is almost 25,000. So why am I marking the midpoint of this? These two could be the last monthly red candle before a big rally. In that case, this is the order block where the big money collected all our stop losses before sending the market for a huge rally. So again, these are the important levels on a monthly time frame. On a weekly time frame, higher lows, so that's bullish. On a daily time frame, yesterday I was not sure. Now let me see today. Today I have a bias. If you can see, this is a low and this is another low. So Nifty has just made a higher low on a daily time frame, which makes the bias bullish. Somehow I'm not able to edit it. Yeah. Okay, so now are there any important levels to mark up here? There's nothing that sort of interests me. Yes, there is one level. ATH of Nifty is a nice level. It's a flat top daily candle. Flat tops are levels where there are big sellers. So let me mark that 26,325 is that level, Nifty's ATH. On a 4-hour time frame, yesterday it was bearish. Today, that particular high that we were talking about has been taken. So the bearish bias has been invalidated, but it still hasn't made a higher low, so we keep it not sure. Is there an important level? Well, this one candle could be an important level, the midpoint of that, because you see that's a green candle before a large red candle. So if you can see, it's trying to break out of that level. That level is 2650 almost. Let me just reduce the thickness of this line. An hourly time frame. On an hourly time frame, Nifty was bullish and Nifty is still bullish. It has made a higher low. And was it not in the hourly time frame that we do those fair value gaps? No, I believe they were in the 4-hour time frame or on daily time frame. Well, so if you see today, there has been a red fair value gap here. That's a bearish fair value gap that has been properly respected. So what was the last? Let's just draw the last fair value gap that was made in Nifty. That is this one. Let me just give it a red color. How do I give it a red color? Yeah, I just give it a red color here. So you can see that there was a close above it, but then it sold off from that area. So that's it. Nifty is bullish until the daily time frame, and again bullish on the hourly time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, it is not sure. So it almost looks like Nifty has turned around and is turned bullish. Let's see tomorrow. I am traveling, and then therefore I wouldn't be in trades. All the best to all of you. Once again, I am not a certified analyst. All this is just for educational purpose. Thank you.